Good afternoon, everyone. By the way, I am April Canseco, and my topic is about plan your work in entrepreneurship. So, plan your work. It is before starting production, an entrepreneur must carefully plan what, how, where, and when to produce. So, planning helps ensure that the process runs smoothly, efficiently, and with minimal waste. So, it means that planning is the first and most important step in production. So, it helps entrepreneurs organize resources, time, and manpower efficiently. So, without proper planning, the production process may face delays, waste materials, or fail to meet customers' demand. So, next, for example, a bakery plans to bake 200 loaves of bread daily. So, they prepare ingredients, assign tasks to workers, and schedule baking times to avoid delays. So, let's proceed to the produce quality products. So, quality means making products that meet customers' expectations and last longer. Entrepreneurs must use good materials, skilled workers, and proper quality control to ensure customer satisfaction. So, it means that producing quality products builds the reputation of a business and encourages customers' loyalty. So when customers are satisfied with the quality, they are more likely to repurchase and recommend the product to others. Next, for example, a shoe manufacturer checks every pair of shoes before selling to ensure that there are no defects. Next, choose the right production method. So there are three main production methods. So first, job production. It is making one product at a time. Next, batch production. It is making a group of similar products. For example, baking 100 cupcakes. Next, we have mass production. So, it is producing large quantities. So, choosing the right production, it means that it depends on the type of product, available resources, and customers' demand. Using the best method ensures efficiency and minimizes costs while maintaining product quality. For example, a t-shirt company uses mass production to create thousands of shirts efficiently. Next, let's proceed to manage resources wisely. Entrepreneurs must manage the four aims of production. First, we have manpower. A manpower, it is the people who work. Next, materials. It is the raw items used in production. Next is machines. It is the tools and equipment. And next, money. It is the capital used to start and sustain production. So, successful production depends on how will the entrepreneurs uses these resources, which is the four aims. Four aims plays a crucial role in achieving efficiency and reducing waste. So, good management of resources leads to higher productivity and profit. For example, a furniture shop assigns skilled carpenters, buys wood and varnish, uses machines for cutting, and budgets money for expenses. Next, ensure customer satisfaction. Producing quality goods and services should focus on meeting customers' needs and building loyalty. Satisfied customers often recommend the product to others. So it means that to ensure customer satisfaction, it is the key to business success. So when customers are happy with the product's quality and service, they trust the brand and share positive feedback. This helps attract new customers and strengthen the business reputation. For example, a coffee shop offers fresh coffee, friendly service, and clean surroundings, making customers return. Last, production is the heart of entrepreneurship. So the entrepreneurs must first plan their work, produce quality goods, use the right methods, manage resources efficiently, and focus on customers' satisfaction. Um, so each of these steps ensures that the businesses operate smoothly, maintain product of quality, and satisfies customers. So by following these principles, entrepreneurs can achieve success and growth in their businesses. So that's all, and thank you.